Hello everyone. Well, you are watching Data Analytics Professionals. Subscribe if you haven't until now and hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. To subscribe, all you need is to press subscribe button, and to get notification about new videos you need to hit notification bell. And if you like this video, then please do not forget to like it. Thank you. This series of lecture is about AWS and machine learning. Current topic of this lecture is what is cloud computing? This lecture is given by myself, Shanaz Malik, and I'm a data scientist. Let's get started. Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of compute power, database, storage, applications, and other IT resources via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. So whether you are using it to run applications that share photos to millions of mobile users or to support business critical operations, a cloud service platform provides rapid access to flexible and low-cost IT resources. With cloud computing, we don't need to make large upfront investments in hardware and spend a lot of time on the heavy lifting of managing that hardware. Instead, you can provision exactly the right type and the size of computing resources you need to power your newest ideas or operate your IT department. You can access as many resources as you need, and that too almost instantly, and only pay for what you use. This was all about cloud computing. So very simple. I'm not going to bore you with a lot of details. We are going to have next lecture, I think, on benefits of cloud computing, although some I have mentioned here. So it's my humble request, if you found this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and please leave your feedback in the comments section. Your feedback is extremely important to improve the contents of future videos, and growing audience gives me more and more motivation to keep on making videos for all of you. Before I end, I would like to thank you all, and I hope to see you in next video. And don't forget, and always remember, sharing is caring. Remember, you're watching Data Analytics Professionals. Until next time, bye-bye.